Hi, I'm Harangat Singh. I'm chef at Prankster. So today we are celebrating Aureka Spices in collaboration with WhatSort, powered by Times. So Prankster is associated with Times from past 4 years, and in a row from past 4 years we are winning Best Modern Indian Cuisine Award. Today I'll be presenting our signature dish called Cooker Meat. I'll be making this recipe with Aureka Spices. So here we go. So the spices which I'll be using for my dish, I'll be introducing you to that from Aureka. This one is coriander powder, cumin powder, some garam masala, red chili powder, whole cumin, your dalchini powder, yellow chili, whole masalas along with bay leaf. These spices will blend together, and the best part about these spices is it doesn't overpower. So I've got some sauteed and boiled mutton, some mutton keema, mince. This is mutton stock, and I've got some onion paste, raw onion paste, and this is tomato paste. So what we'll do is we'll heat our pan. We will add some oil. Now we'll be adding some whole cumin to it. And at this instant, I'll be adding some lamb mince. And we'll saute it a bit. So at this point I'll be adding just a sprinkle of salt. So I'll be adding some bay leaf to it. This is a mix of clove, mace, 2 spoons of raw onion paste. With raw onion paste, I'll be adding a spoon of ginger garlic paste. We will be adding some tomato paste. This is fresh tomato paste. So the amount what I'm making is for 2 people. The whole recipe will take around about 40 minutes to cook. For that you have to also make sure that your mutton is boiled before. So we will allow it to cook for another 2 minutes. We'll make sure that the moisture is leavened out, and then we'll add our dry spices. Some red chili, garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder. So everything I am adding a tablespoon. Yellow chili powder, just a touch of green chili paste, 2 tablespoons of brown onion paste, and we'll give it a good mix. We'll add some mutton stock to it. So we have to cook it for another 5 minutes just to make sure that the flavors are fully absorbed with the stock, mince and all the spices. At this moment I'll be adding few pieces of mutton to it. So this mutton, what I have done is I have pre-boiled it with some water, ginger garlic paste, some stock and salt. We will just give it a gentle mix. So we just have to ensure when we cook this recipe, the gravy should not be too thick, because it should look like a local homemade tari. So the cooking part is done. Now what we'll do, just to ensure that all the flavors are very much intact, the next step will be we'll be putting it from pan to cooker. And we'll put it back on range. We'll add some more stock. So when we were designing this dish, the whole thought process behind it was that it will take you back to a nostalgia where every Sunday your father or your uncle used to make meat for you, and when they used to make meat, the whole house used to get packed with the aromas of the meat. So the same feeling we are giving it here on the table to the guests. So we basically put the meat in the cooker and the final whistle we blow it on the table itself. So you can see the bubbling has come. So now I'll be covering it with the lid and we'll wait for the whistle to come. Prankster, what we do is, the cuisine what we serve here, we call it a progressive nostalgic cuisine. Either a dish has a progressive take or nostalgic take of both. So this is definitely very nostalgic. So I'll explain you how to serve this. Now we'll keep this cooker on the table. We'll just blow the whistle out. I can smell good fragrance of Aureka spices. So we will just remove the whistle. You can see the bubbling. We'll add some fresh coriander to it. We'll add some butter to it. And here your cocoa meat is ready. So we are dishing out our cocoa meat. I've added a piece and I'll be adding a gravy made along with the mince on top. So here the signature dish of Prankster, cocoa meat, is ready. I can smell the flavors. Aureka spices are really good, and the chef's recommendation to enjoy this dish is with steamed rice, and you can also enjoy it with a crispy garlic naan. So I'll be looking forward to see you at Prankster. Thank you.